How to turn off text-to-speech on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can turn off text-to-speech on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, log in into discord.com. Once you're on this page, navigate to your user settings. Click on the settings icon from the bottom left. That's gonna take you to this settings page. Now from this page, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side, and here under the app settings, click on accessibility. Under accessibility, again scroll down. Keep on scrolling. There you have text to speech, and here it says allow playback in usage of /TTS command. So to turn off text to speech, all you have to do is turn off this toggle right here. That's it. That's how you turn off text to speech on Discord, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.